This is a quick video about the SnowSport plow. I used to have that on my Ford Ranger. I no longer have the vehicle, but I want to use it, and I thought maybe I'll use it for my golf cart. So I have to adapt it here. So what we have on here is not that much to put a receiver on. So I was thinking, based on what I saw online, that they make something for golf carts for a different type of plow. I made a little stencil here, and if I can make this out of steel, something shaped like this, it bends down and curves up here. What I have is 2 bolts back here, one over here, one back there, and that'll prevent it from sliding back, and plus it has this bend, so it's pushed against the whole front axle. And then over here, if I drill a hole here, I can put a bolt here to hold it in place. Now, to put the receiver, I found one of these guys at Harbor Freight, which is for an ATV. It's really for pulling, not pushing. But once I make that plate and I put it right here, I can weld that on so that's one big solid piece. And then I'll put the bolt right through, so at least it has some kind of support to this piece here. So I have a bolt here, 2 bolts in the back. It'll be set up with the receiver. Now on the actual piece where the blade slides on, it had this thing here, which is for swiveling purposes. It's very, very heavy, so I just removed it completely. So all I got to do now is just put a plate here with a 2-inch square tubing, maybe 6 inches, just enough that I can slide it into the receiver of the front of the golf cart, and that should be it. And I can use my blade. Now if the blade is a little bit too wide, I can probably cut it and make it shorter because it is aluminum. So this is just an idea. Once I'm done, I'll present it to you and you tell me what you think. Maybe there's something you might want to do. Thanks for watching. All right, here's the finished product of my golf cart with the SnowSport plow. That's how I finished doing it. I have that piece that I made. It's over the front axle. It's bolted down in the back, as you can tell, and it's bolted through the bottom of the frame, so it's all sturdy. That's that piece I got from Harbor Freight. That's welded on, and this is another piece I got from Harbor Freight, which I put on the back of the snow plow. And I put some angle irons on each side to make it reinforced. That's basically it. Hope this gives you some ideas. Maybe you can utilize what you have like I did, or you can make up your own thing. I already tried using it, light snow, and did pretty good. I don't want to buy another vehicle for the snow plow, so I utilize my golf cart, and so far so good. Thanks for watching.